After receiving the goods, our packaging box includes a host, a head, a foot switch, and a power adapter. Flip the back of the machine. We can see the power interface. Connect the power interface. Find the foot switch. Align it with the interface. Find our head. Align it with the position. Just rotate the head. When it is aligned, it will sync. Then press it lightly. This completes the installation. Flip the machine. We connect the other end of the power supply. Turn on the switch at the back for the first time. After the switch is turned on, the screen lights up. Select the head, click the foot switch to turn it on. Turn it off.